If you don't shower with music on, I don't know what you're doing, girl. Hey everyone, welcome to my shower routine. So the first thing I do in the shower is of course get in the water, make sure my hair is soaked. For my shampoo, I'm going to be using my custom shampoo from Mixeasy.com. This shampoo, you guys, has to be by far the healthiest shampoo I've ever used on my hair. So you know I had to let you guys know about this. You go on Mixeasy.com, you let them know the shampoo base, then they give you a variety of choices where you can pick 6 ingredients from. You don't have to pick all 6 ingredients, but they do have really good ones like anti-freeze, length, strength, and aloe vera, which suits the scalp, which is really good. And then you get to pick the scent. I don't know about you guys, but if my shampoo don't smell good, I am not putting it anywhere near my hair, no matter how healthy it is. Lastly, you get to name your formula, and that is all. Yes, you guys, I got you guys a promo code. You can use the code GLOWING for 20% off all orders. For my conditioner, I'm using my Mixeasy conditioner. If you guys are curious what my formula is, I will leave it down in the description box along with my shampoo formula. The way I like to condition my hair is I start from the tips of my hair and then bring it up to the middle section. I never bring it all the way up to the scalp, but I do like to put it up in a bun and leave it on there while I scrub my body. And then with my exfoliating glove and my Dove Caring Bath body wash, I like to gently exfoliate my body. For shaving, I'm going to use my EOS shaving cream and a men's razor. In my opinion, men's razors is where it's at when it comes to shaving. And then I like to use my Aveeno 60-second in-shower facial. This is my holy grail. If you're struggling with breakouts, you need to try this ASAP. Well, that sits on my face. I like to go ahead and scrub my body one last time. Don't forget to wash your ears. Once I'm all rinsed off, I'm going to use my Nivea in-shower body lotion. I love this because it leaves my body super soft. This water is freezing cold, by the way. Pretend you're in a music video. To dry my hair, I'm going to wrap it in this microfiber hair towel wrap, and I like to do this just to prevent frizz. And then of course I just dry my body with a regular towel. Since I use my Aveeno facial in the shower, I'm going to go ahead and close all my pores with some cold water. And then of course I like to put on some deodorant. To moisturize my skin, I'm going to use my Mixeasy face cream. Lastly, for my face, I'm going to spray myself with some vitamin C hydrating mist. And then I'm going to go ahead and just brush my teeth. Some mouthwash, and while I have that in my mouth, I like to clean my ears. I'm going to spray my hair with some argan oil of Morocco. This leaves my hair super soft and anti-frizz, so I love it so much. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair with my wet brush. I know you're not supposed to brush your hair when it's wet, but this is super gentle on my hair so it doesn't damage it at all. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!